Sure. Here's the English version of the detailed guide on porcelain tile grout joint filling techniques for beginners and professionals, approximately 20,000 characters. Porcelain tile grout joint filling techniques for beginners and professionals filling. The joints, also called grouting between porcelain tiles, is a critical step in any tile installation project. Done properly, it ensures structural integrity, waterproofing, and an appealing aesthetic finish. Whether you're a beginner just learning how to grout for the first time, or a seasoned professional looking for advanced tricks and materials, understanding this process deeply can make the difference between a job that lasts for decades and one that deteriorates within a year. This comprehensive guide explores every aspect of joint filling, from choosing the right materials and tools to detailed, step-by-step techniques and common mistakes to avoid. Understanding tile joints and their purpose. What are tile joints? Tile joints are the gaps intentionally left between tiles during installation. Their width typically ranges between 1 and 5 mm depending on tile type, intended use, and environmental conditions. These joints are later filled with a grout compound. Why? Fill the joints? Moisture protection. Prevents water infiltration beneath tiles. Structural movement, compensation, absorbs expansion and contraction due to temperature changes. Aesthetic, finishing, gives a smooth, uniform appearance to the tile. Layout, debris prevention, blocks dust, food particles, or mold from collecting in the gaps. Types of grout materials: cementitious grout made from Portland cement, sand, and additives, mixed with water or a latex additive. Suitable for joint widths of 1 mm to 5 mm. Comes in a variety of colors. Beginner-friendly. Needs to be sealed to resist stains and moisture. PUB. Epoxy. Grout made from epoxy resin, hardener, and filler powder. Extremely durable, stain-proof, waterproof, and chemical-resistant. Ideal for high-moisture areas like bathrooms, kitchens, and pools. Challenging to apply. Requires precision and speed. More expensive than cement-based grouts. C. Polymer-modified grout. Cement-based grout enhanced with polymer additives. Offers improved flexibility and bonding. Suitable for interior and exterior applications. Good resistance to cracking and shrinkage. Essential tools and equipment: basic tools for beginners. Rubber float, soft sponge, clean water bucket, mixing paddle, manual or electric. Gloves and safety goggles: advanced tools for professionals. Grout injection, pump, steam, grout cleaner, vacuum for joint debris removal. Laser level joint checker. Chemical-resistant tools for epoxy grouting. Or step-by-step. Grouting process for beginners. Traditional method. Step 1. Surface preparation. Ensure tile adhesive has cured 24 to 48 hours after tile installation. Clean joints of dust, debris, and adhesive residues. Use a vacuum or brush to clean deeply inside the joints. Step 2. Mixing the grout. Follow manufacturer instructions. Add powder into water, not the other way around. Mix to toothpaste-like consistency. Let the mixture rest for 5 minutes, then remix. Step 3. Application: use a rubber float held at 45-degree angle. Work in small sections, 1 to 2 × 2 at a time. Force grout into joints, applying pressure to fill completely. Step 4. Initial cleaning. Wait 10 to 15 minutes. Wipe tiles with a damp sponge using light circular motion. Rinse the sponge frequently with clean water. Step 5. Final cleaning. After 1-2 hours, buff the tile surface with a dry cloth. Use grout haze remover if needed for polished tiles. Professional grouting techniques: Epoxy grouting: mix thoroughly and work quickly. Pot life 30 to 45 minutes. Use chemical-resistant rubber tools. Clean with warm water and a special sponge before the epoxy hardens. 2B. Crosswise filling technique. Fill horizontal and vertical joints in opposite directions to balance pressure. Prevents joint hollowing and uneven curing. E. Grout injection. Method ideal for ultra-narrow joints. 1 lithoentermed. Reduces waste and keeps tile surfaces clean. Delivers grout directly into the joint with precision. 2D. Concave joint shaping use curved edge rubber floats or dowels. Gives a neat, shadowed finish especially desirable for wall joints. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Mistake. Cause solution. Grout dries too quickly. Working on large areas, divide into small zones. Tile discoloration, dirty water, or sponge use clean. Demineralized water cracks in grout excess water or unclean joints. Mix accurately. Ensure tiles are dry. Weak bond dust or loose particles in joints. Vacuum thoroughly. Strong chemical odor. Poor ventilation with epoxy grout. Work in well-ventilated space. Wear mask 7. Pro tips for a perfect grout job. Start from the farthest point and move towards the exit. Work in manageable sections. Max 2 meddling 2 at a time. Prioritize consistent mixing over speed. Don't allow grout to dry on tile surfaces. Wait 24 hours before wet cleaning or walking on floors. Use a grout sealer in high moisture areas after curing. Maintenance and protection. Inspect grout lines 1 week after installation. Apply a clear sealer to enhance color and prevent cracking. Clean periodically with non-acidic tile-safe cleaners. Wall versus floor. Grouting. Key differences. Feature: wall grouting. Floor grouting emphasis, aesthetics, and symmetry. Strength: moisture resistance, joint width, narrower, 1 to 2 mm to wider, 5 mm. Water control. Less water during cleaning. Thorough cleaning to avoid slipperiness. Choosing the right grout color matching color. Uniform. Look. Contrasting color. Highlights tile pattern. Grout is available in pre-colored versions or can be tinted with pigments. Pro. Tip: always test color on a sample board before applying to the entire area. Clean grouting technique. Luxury finish. Is a mess-free method ideal for high-end or showcase areas. Steps: apply masking tape to tile edges before grouting. Fill joints carefully. Wipe excess and remove tape after initial cleaning. Polish for a clean, professional finish. Decorative. Grout techniques use glitter, metallic, or glow-in-the-dark grout for accent walls. Great for mosaics or feature tile designs. Needs experienced hands to apply evenly and attractively. See material comparison chart. Type: ease of use, moisture, resistance. Cost: lifespan, cementitious, easy, medium. Low: 3 to 5 years, epoxy, difficult. Excellent high: 10+ years, polymer modified, medium. High medium: 7 to 10 years, 14. Starter projects for beginners. Small project: bathroom floor, gray cement grout completion time. Ethars 3 hours. Medium project: kitchen backsplash, white waterproof grout completion time. After 5 hours, 15. Advice from tile masters. You don't need to be a master to deliver a clean finish. Just follow the steps, stay patient, and don't rush. Hassan, 30 years in tile work. Conclusion: grouting porcelain tiles is much more than a decorative step. It's essential for the longevity and durability of any tile installation. Whether you're just starting out or already an experienced installer, mastering joint filling techniques ensures that your work holds up to time, moisture, and wear. Takeaway: precision, patience, and choosing the right materials are the pillars of a flawless grout job. Don't underestimate the power of clean, uniform joints. They're the unsung heroes of any tile project. Let me know if you want this formatted as a PDF or turned into a printable guide or video script.